Good day po guys, papaliwanag ko lang po itong policy issue dito sa may monetization. Ito, monetization issue, you may be risk monetization. Ito na lang, ito present not established. Sige, ayan po guys, ayan, present not established. Martin S. Ramos has been on Facebook for less than 30 days or does not have enough followers or engagement to qualify for monetization. Learn how this affect your page. Other monetization tools may not have access additional monetization tools. Ibig sabihin po niya, hindi basta't may ganyan agad kayo na policy or monetization policy, hindi na kayo magkaka-star. Ayan po kasi, kung monetize ka na, nakuha mo na 500 followers, tapos monetize ka na po, hindi po agad lalabas yung star. Dahil po, aantayin mo muna mag 30 days. E pag wala ka man 30 days, hindi po mag-i-effective yung star po. Hindi kayo makapag-set up ng payment. Yan lang po guys. Thank you. Babasa.